Hi guys, how are you doing? I hope you are all doing well and are keeping safe. Msile mikebe, yani in an African home, kitu yezi tuisha na tutupe mikebe kwa amani, lazima tu tuweke mikebe hapo. Zile ni mikebe za ghee. They are like 3 of them. I don't know what they are doing there. It's not like I'm gonna use it to do something, but I usually just feel bad nikizitupa. So anyway, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Grace Juguna. In case you are new here, welcome. In case you are a returning subscriber, welcome back. And kama una watch this video akina huja subscribe, I don't know why you haven't subscribed. I don't know why haven't you subscribed? Hebu comment hapo. And why don't you comment on my videos by the way? Unapata video iko na 150 views, 200, 500, 700, but comments ni mbili. Why don't you comment on? Kwani unaniogopa? I don't bite, okay? Just comment whatever you want to comment. Being negative, being positive, I take all of them. Sawa. So today I want to show you how I make my simplest pilau ever. You cannot find this recipe anywhere. Ni hapa tu kwa Grace Juguna. So kama huja subscribe, you are missing a lot. Nimetoka kwa soko saizi. It's almost 6 in the evening. Let me check the time nikue. Oh, it's 5:40. So nimetoka soko, nimenunua whatever I wanted. I just wanted kununua nyama na kitunguu. You know, pilau ni vitunguu mob. That is the only thing I wanted. For this recipe, I will show you the ingredients and the spices that I'm going to use. In this recipe, you don't have to use a lot of spices. Sawa. Si ile pilau kali yenye unakula ukipepeta mdomo ama unakula na juice ama unakula. Talking of juice, I'm also blending a juice. So, is it juice or juice? When I say juice, mtafikiria nasema juice ule wa Beauty in Black. I'm not saying that guy of Beauty in Black. I'm saying juice. Juice. Sawa. I want to blend a juice, so I'll be serving my pilau with a glass of juice. Do you have glasses? No. With a cup of juice. So, but before that, let me take a shower and then tukuje tuanze kupika. Sawa, me I love cooking when I'm fresh. Eating, hata nikipika food na sijaoga, I don't sit down and eat before I take a shower. I first go take a shower and then come take my food. Junajua, I don't know kama ni mimi tu. The moment you take your supper hivi, sijui uvivu na usingizi zinakuja nianga aje na chakula. Ukikula tu unaanza kusinzia, unashiba, unashikwa na kausingizi. So I don't like that. I prefer taking a shower before taking my dinner. So yeah, let me go take a shower.
We got nowhere to be, just a slow dance with the summer heat. The world outside can't wait a few, 'cause right now we got nothing else to do. The sun is peeking through the cotton white blinds, your hands still tangled up in mine. Feet on the wall, your head on me, floating easy. We got nowhere to be, got nowhere to be. Your hair's a mess, but you don't mind. You just laugh, let it fall where it lies. Coffee's cold, but we take a sip, talk about nothing, let the morning slip. Oh, it feels like that, like summer air through window cracks. Oh, it feels like that, like the summer sun on quiet tracks. Oh, it feels like that, like the summer rain that falls so slowly on the naked skin upon your back. Oh,